Hi everyone, this is Taylor with Valleyscape. Just want to do a quick video today about landscape lighting. We're in our lighting season and we're doing a lot more lighting. And I wanted to do a quick little segment on what type of uplight you should choose. So often we see uplighting just kind of thrown together, and it seems as though they just put the same lights on every tree and everything they want to highlight. This really isn't the right way to do it, and I'm going to show you a different process. So we have what we call a wash light and an uplight. And so a wash light is going to be more of a broad, more flood, you could say, in that it's a wider beam that comes out, and oftentimes it's a little bit softer. Whereas a typical uplight, you would light a palm tree or something, is going to be a little more narrow and focused and typically a little brighter. Here is an example of a wash light. This is from FX, the WL light. And you can see it's kind of a little bit easier on the eyes. It's a little softer light. So what we're going to be doing here is kind of just lighting the bush and broadcasting that back onto the rock. So it'll just give a nice soft romantic light, and it's going to look really good. In contrast to, here's a palm tree. We installed this light a couple of years ago on this property. It's a typical uplight. It's called an RS uplight from FX, and it's got a brighter bulb in it than it comes with, and it's to get up into the canopy of the tree a little bit more, but also highlight the front of the palm. So in your landscape lighting project, make sure you have some contrast. You don't just do the same lights in every tree or every spot that you want to light up. Make sure you change it up, get the right effect, and you'll be so much happier with your landscape lighting project.